Okay, this is a really quick video about how to embed quotations. When we're writing a PE paragraph or analysing something, this is really how I want us to structure our use of quotations. Now, we need quotations to support our point, and then we provide explanation. Now, I want to get away from introducing quotes by "I know this because," or having a quote in a sentence by itself. So here I have a quotation, to be or not to be. I need to firstly introduce that quotation. So I have the quote, for example. I've introduced the quote. When we have a look here, if I don't want to use the quote, I could use the phrase, I could use the sentence. For the higher marks, if I know what language feature it is, I could name that language feature, so the metaphor, verb, personification, so on and so forth. You can actually start a sentence without the introduction. So you could just start with "to be or not to be." I could just start like that. However, you would need that maybe circumference for variation, but for the meantime, let's just start with the quote, the phrase, language feature, whatever. Then I have an explanation type word. I'm going to begin the explanation straight away. This is the most important thing, is being able to explain our evidence. Then I have what I call an explanation type word. There are a number of these, so if you want to be more definite, you can use shows, indicates, demonstrates, presents, explains. These are, right, this is it, this is definitely what it means. I want to be very clear in this is what this quote means. There'll be times, probably particularly with keywords, where you're looking at associations, where you want to be less definitive. You want to allow for a little doubt, allow the person marking to go, well, this is what this person thinks. I'm not saying it definitely is, this is just what I think. So suggests, implies, hints at, allows you to do that. You can use a definite word like shows. If you just put possibly shows in front of it, then you're not being as definitive, okay? You are allowing for some doubt, you're allowing from a different opinion. There might be times in the second or third quotes in a paragraph that you want to link evidence together. So you might have explained something, and then later on you might want to link the second quote to the first, or an explanation from the second quote to the explanation of the first. You just go further shows, also indicates, again suggests. This allows you to link the evidence together. The reason that we call it an embedded quotation is if I was to take the quotation out, it still makes sense by itself. The quote shows. This is very similar to in a complex sentence when you have an embedded clause. If you take the embedded clause out, the sentence still makes sense. The same thing is happening here. We don't use commas either side. This is the other advantage of doing it like this. We don't have to worry about punctuation. We can just introduce it, quote, explanation type word, and everything makes sense. So hopefully that will help you now structure your PE paragraphs a little bit more.